Hi, welcome to my kitchen where I mix East flavors with a taste of the West, kicking off grilling season with this week's Middle Eastern recipe, kebabs. Chicken kebabs with onions and relish, beef kefta kebabs with jalapeno, tomato, and Baba Ganoush. Here are the veggies grilling away, some eggplant or aubergine to get the Baba Ganoush started. Absolutely delicious beef kefta kebabs and chicken kebab. Layer that into a pita with some tahini sauce, or even make some delicious light lettuce wraps. Drizzle it with your favorite sauce, and one of my favorite ways is to put the kefta with a little bit of the Baba Ganoush and some relish. The entire recipe will be linked in the description box below. Onto the diced chicken, drizzle a little bit of olive oil with the spices, garlic, and tomato paste. Add the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. Mix very well to combine. Place them onto skewers and marinate for at least half an hour or up to overnight. Now for the beef kefta, ground beef, spices, diced onions, chopped parsley, mix to combine. Shape them onto a skewer, layer them onto your tray. No need to marinate, ready to go. For the jalapenos, score them. Remove the stem off the Roma tomato and score them on both sides. I did not show you the yellow onions, but cut them in half and dice them, place them on skewers. Remove the stem of the eggplant or aubergine, and then go ahead and puncture them before you grill. Set aside. Start with your grill on high heat with the veggies first, tomatoes, jalapenos, eggplant, aubergine, and your onions. Flipping midway through to get an even char. Remove the aubergine and eggplant into a plastic bag to sweat and set aside. Go ahead and lower your grill to medium heat. Add your chicken kebabs, cook them for 10 to 12 minutes on one side and flip for 5 minutes on the other. And the kefta kebabs go on next, 5 minutes on one side and flip those for 5 minutes on the other side, charred all the way through, just like that. Beautiful kefta kebab, beautiful juicy chicken kebab with a little nice char on all sides. Absolutely delicious. Once you've grilled your eggplant, you place it into a bag to sweat out, and that helps with removing that black skin and the stem. See, it's pretty easy to come off right there, just like that. Add it to your food processor, some garlic, tahini, salt, and a drizzle of lemon juice will do. Get it to the consistency you like, whip it, drizzle olive oil, whatever toppings you like. This is a healthy, ready for summer recipe with juicy chicken kebabs, slightly sweet and tender onions. You can serve it over rice or into a pita pocket or a lettuce wrap. Either way you serve it, it's going to be delicious. I like to drizzle it with tahini sauce. I'll link the falafel video where the tahini sauce recipe is right there. And now for one of my favorite new things, corn tortilla with Baba Ganoush, beef kefta kebab. Who would have thought a taco would be so delicious? But here you go, a little bit of tomato, a little bit of jalapeno, a fresh relish with sumac, parsley, and onions. I'll leave that linked below. And you have this gorgeous, absolutely delicious taco. And there you have it. Hope you liked the recipe. Have a great, wonderful summer, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.